The Crude Life with host Jason Spiess.
My name is Jason Spiess, and this is the Crude Life Daily Update. On today's program, we talk with Josh Swanson, attorney for Vogel Law. Comments on the Wilkinson Lake Sakakawea court case that is impacting oil and gas mineral ownership. In just a moment, part of our exclusive interview with Josh Swanson from Vogel Law, right here on the Crude Life Daily Update.
Jason Spiess, the most trusted voice in the Bakken.
I totally agree with you, and the word that you brought into this is fact. You tell the facts, and then you let people make up their own minds.
You want someone who's competent. You don't want to get a bunch of rookies.
Love listening to Jason Spiess on the radio, and if I miss him there, I catch him online.
Let's bring in Jason Spiess, who is a multimedia journalist in North Dakota. Jason, what's your thought on this?
No one does an interview like Jason Spiess.
Welcome back to the Crude Life Daily Update. My name is Jason Spiess. Thank you, folks, for joining us. Up next, Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm talking about the Wilkinson Lake Sakakawea court case that is impacting oil and gas mineral ownership.
The state has all the resources in the world to fight this, courtesy of the great taxpayers of North Dakota, the private landowners, whether they're my clients or other families impacted. They've got to go out and hire an attorney. And I know I've mentioned it before to your listeners, but I'm looking at several bookshelves in my office that are filled with paperwork and filings from this case. So we're really looking forward to finally being able to argue this to the district court in June, and really looking forward to the state's response to see whether or not they'll finally abide by the law, by what the Supreme Court said, by the statute, by the Industrial Commission's order, and really, to be quite frank, the damnedest thing if the state were to dispute the findings of the Industrial Commission. If you think about it for a minute, the Attorney General is on the Industrial Commission. He signed and approved the order that says our client's minerals are above the high water mark and the state has no claim to them. So I really don't understand, and I don't think there's a legal avenue possible, which is one of the things we argue in our brief, that the state is prevented from asserting a claim to these minerals because the Attorney General, who is his office is filing these briefs trying to claim our client's minerals, he signed the gosh darn order saying that the minerals are above the high water marks. But that's one of the questions we're anxiously awaiting to see the state's response on here.
And that was Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm. To listen to the entire interview or to check out other exclusive interviews, visit thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. The Crude Life Daily Update has a social media audience of over 350,000. Check out our network at thecrudelife.com. Click on the social media tab. From the staff at the Crude Life Daily Update, my name is Jason Spiess, asking you to keep calm and frack on.
Historic. The first full conversion refinery to be built in the U.S. in over 40 years. Innovative. The cleanest, most technologically advanced downstream project ever. The model for future shale basin projects. Groundbreaking. With construction resuming in early 2019. The Davis Refinery.